Greetings, y'all, to this car wash mega video. A project I just kind of thought about last minute. And I think I can probably work it out. So this is actually the second video that's going to be first in order. But yeah. Technically, this is my second round today. Turn down the AC. We're gonna go and get the bottom one this time.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of payment. You have selected the basic car wash. Please deposit $6. If you would like a receipt, press refund now.
Well, that accepted instantly, basically. Let me turn down the video. Alright, bottom dollar take first. It's actually the first time I've been through the same car wash more than once. Wow, that was really fast. That was like a minute. I'm gonna have to time that again. I don't know if that we get to try her, but oh well, this is a base wash. Well, that was insanely fast. Did I just jackknife myself in here? This is really tight, especially for this huge minivan. Well, that was even faster than a tunnel wash. So yeah, alright, well, part 2, here we go. Alright, today's car wash video comes to you from my other sister's car, 2018 Subaru Outback. Also, we're gonna go take a revisit to Wash Me here because within the last 6 months, they got a brand new system, and it's something really awesome too. I want to film one of these for a while, and I'm really excited for this. Brand new Oasis Typhoon. Yeah, they did bump the prices up a little bit. 6, 9, 12, 14.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of payment.
Menu. And then let's see if I can at least try to get a thumbnail. So yeah, I'm gonna do the, let's see, yeah, top wash. And so we just got back from a trip and there's lots of bugs on the windshield, so we're gonna get the top wash. Then let's see, it's got they kept the dryers and all of the old Bellinger signage, which was kind of neat. And there's even the new Oasis signage. So maybe they have the old stuff deactivated, but we'll find out.
You have selected the Ultimate Car Wash. Please deposit $14. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that. They did keep the old signage going. Sorry, I don't have my camera set up today. They kept those too. So yeah, my car's actually in the shop, so I don't have my second camera mount, which is in that car. There goes that arm to the back. Look at that. They kept the old signage. It looks great now. See, we got the front and the sides and the back. Definitely a huge upgrade compared to the Vector. This might be a really quick wash too. Rocker panel blasters and tri-foam. I like it when washers are programmed to do like two things at once. It's kind of neat. Wax. Wow, these things are really fast. Definitely an underrated machine. No pausing in between chemical applications too. This thing hauls. There's spot free. Yeah, a huge difference from the Vector that was here. And we're done already. This car wash is amazing. Is this my new favorite in-bay here in my hometown? I think I have to say yes. Typhoons are freaking fast and awesome. I really like them. You can actually read this dryer timer. Most of those you can't read. Dryers are doing okay. Might come back and do a take with my car because this thing is really cool. Car looks a heck of a lot better. Not perfect though, but I can make that turn. Luckily, you get a good look at it like this. Man, what a fantastic car. It's got the old Bellinger box on it too. So yeah, I'm glad they kept a lot of the old stuff. It looks great. Fantastic car wash. Alright, well, hope you all enjoyed this quick video. Thank you all for watching. That'll be it, and I'll get my, hopefully, 2 camera videos back in the next. Part 3, outside view on the other sister's car. So yeah, brand new Typhoon. There's your old blasters on the back there. Ultrasonic sounds, and there's the old signage. And then Premier dryers. Stand by.
awesome stuff.